Friends, I'm Mayuri. Welcome you all to our next episode of Chikmagalur Series. In today's episode, we are going to visit Honnammana Waterfalls, or which is also known as Manikyadhara Watefalls in Chikmagalur. This is very close to the Bababudangiri Hills, which is situated in Chikmagalur, friends, and it is wonderfully located and shows the fascinating view of this Bababudangiri Range as well. It is in the dense forest area, and the waterfall is one of the lesser known natural beauties of Karnataka. So come explore it with your very own channel, Unstoppable Digital Traveling, Oxygen for Life. La 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 la. Honnammana Falls is just located 1 kilometer from Bababudangiri Pitha, friends, and it is around 25 kilometers from Kemnagundi. There is a small temple at the entrance of this waterfalls, friends, that you could see here. You need to watch out your steps, friends, as here the staircases are already wet because of these falls. Friends, do you know that they say this falls has never dried up? This waterfall is also known as Manikyadhara Falls, which means gentle as a pearl. This is because here water falls as gently as a pearl drop, it seems. They also say that the name Manikyadhara for the waterfalls has been derived from the name of one saint, Manikyadhara, and these falls never dried up till date.
Look here. Wow, look here. Look at this point. Here, right here. Wow, the sun is also out.
Even in the dry summer season, the sparkling white water of the falls could be seen falling continuously. This definitely makes it one of those waterfalls that can be visited, friends, throughout the year. What say? When sunlight falls on Manikyadhara, it appears like sparkling pearls droplets. Most pilgrims visiting Bababudangiri, they definitely ensure to visit Manikyadhara Falls, friends, and consider the water as holy water. Jewel is little concerned as I have gone on the top to take a view of the falls from there, and I remember that when even I was a child, I used to get scared if my ma used to go somewhere out of my sight, and I used to feel little insecure that whether she will be safe, whether she will come back. I guess it is the same among all the kids, friends, isn't it? at the Bababudangiri Range view from here, friends. So yes, we indeed are enjoying here, and I'm sure you must visit if you are coming to Chikmagalur, friends. This fall is indeed to give a try.
Friends, just next to this fall there's a small food joint where you can get some snacks items like bread omelette, you can get Maggie, you can get tea, coffee, etc. So we are just taking a break here for some small snacks. Shona, what do you want to eat here? What are you eating? Maggie, Maggie, Maggie. What you have ordered? Tea or coffee? Tea. What are you having here? Tea, coffee?
Bread omelette, masala Maggie, tea.
All this you will have?
Yes.
Bread omelette, masala Maggie and tea.
Tea.
Okay.
No.
Oh,
Share it.
oh, this will be shared. He will not have it. What about you?
I'm having bread omelette.
Bread omelette.
Only one person can take all this.
Who? Oh. He will have now bread omelette. And how many spoons you will have, Maggie? 1 spoon? 2 spoon? How many spoon? 1, 2. Only 1 and 2.
Oh friends, look, my mom is asking Jewel to go and sit on that horse, friends. Now you know from where the adventure is coming in the family.
No, you want to go to horse ride? No. Why? It's fun. It's nice. White color horse. Let's see if she can have some idea. Long time she did not have anything.
You're on video.
Maggie. এই তো বাবু তোমার ম্যাগি এটাই তোমার না বাবু আমি খাচ্ছি না তোমার খাও তুমি না মুখ হ্যাঁ ইটস নাইস ও বাট আমি ফু দিয়ে দিচ্ছি না এটা গরম না তো আমি একটু ফু দিয়ে
Because of its height, cloud is coming and touching the road here, friends. So if you are in Chikmagalur, can give a visit to this falls, friends. Let me know how did you like this episode today, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, you need to subscribe to get all the updates, all the fun-filled traveling experiences that we share here in Unstoppable Digital Traveling Oxygen for Life. And all this coffee lover out there, don't miss out my next video, which is dedicated to coffee entirely, friends. Check it out for yourself. Unstoppable Digital Traveling is going to show you the documentary that we have seen in the Coffee Museum of Chikmagalur, friends. The interesting story of how coffee was brought to India for the very first time, friends. Isn't that great?